Hi guys, my name is KELVIN CHIMUANYA, as you all know, the CEO of BSTER-TECHNOLOGY. In this particular story, I'm going to be teaching you guys all you need to know about HTML. So I'm going to be explaining HTML in full details. We are not going to code, but I'm going to teach you all you need to know about HTML, their tags and elements and their functions and how it works. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the PDF file, because I prepared a PDF note for this particular tutorial. So let's dive into the PDF file and I will teach you how everything is being done in HTML. So now, you know, you're not going to pay for this video. The video is free of charge. So the only good thing you can do for me is by subscribing to my YouTube channel. That is the only support you can give me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video, click on the notification bell so that anytime I drop an update, you will get an update from me. So now let's dive into the system and see how it goes. Alright guys, so now these are the HTML tags. For you to make use of HTML very well, you really need to know HTML tags and their functions. Do you understand? So all these are the HTML tags. So I'm going to be explaining it to you, and later I'll still give you a link to this PDF file so you can download it and read it. So right now, the first tag we have here is comment tag. You understand? So what is the function of this comment tag? Comment tag does not display anything. You understand? Nothing will show if you put a comment tag. Comment tag is used to denote the next section in the coding part. When we go into coding, then you understand how to use all these tags. You understand? So comment tag is where you if I'm done with let me say blog section and I want to enter the paragraph section, I can use this comment and say this is a paragraph. You understand? So the next one is an anchor tag or a link tag. You understand? The name is anchor tag. That is href. You understand? href. You understand? So, and this anchor tag also has attributes. You understand? That is which specify the URL. You understand? So when you use this anchor tag is used for link redirection. Maybe if I'm in a home page and I want a button, a particular button, that home page, to redirect me to about us page or to redirect me to a subdomain, I will just wrap that button in an anchor tag, which will help me to, once I click on this particular anchor tag, once I click on the button will automatically direct me to the domain. Yes, I'll show you how all of them are being done. Then the next one is bold tag. Bold tag is used to make a write-up bold. You understand? It functions like a strong tag, but bold tag is not a strong tag actually. So as you can see, this is example. You understand? After closing it with a bold tag, it became bold. As you can see, this example write-up is now bold. You understand? As you can see, this is the open tag and this is close tag. How to know close tag? It has slash inside it. That is how to know a close tag. So the next one is big tag, big text. If you want to make your text big, then you close it in a big tag. You understand? Then the next one is a body tag. This is a body tag, a open body tag. You understand? So it's used to specify the body of the page. You understand? So this is the opening body, and this is the opening body, and this is the close body. It's a HTML tag. You understand? So you use it to denote the body of the page. Then the other one is a line break. That is BR tag. A line break is used to step down to another line, like another line in the page. Maybe, for example, if I'm actually typing something and I want to enter another line, I will press enter and enter another line. But in HTML, if you want to enter another line, what you are going to do is just put a break tag. You understand? So now let's not waste much of our time. This one is a center tag. What this actually do is, if I created a paragraph or a video or anything and I want it to display at the center of the web page, I will wrap it in a center tag. That is center tag open, center tag close. That is, it will automatically shift it at the center of the web page. You understand? So this one is definition description tag. You understand? This is used to like define a word, like to add a more weight on the word, so that if you see it, you will know that this word is defined. You understand? This one is the next one is definition list. You understand? It's used to specify a defined list tag, a defined list article or anything. Then the other one, the next one is definition term. You understand? It's also used to define it's also used to define an article also. Then this one is emphasis. Emphasis is used maybe when you have a write-up and you have a long write-up, maybe you want to emphasize on a particular line or a particular paragraph. You can use emphasis. You can use emphasis tag. You understand? As you can see, this is a write-up, but because they added this this example in emphasis, then look at the changes that occurred here. You understand? Look at the changes that occur here. This emphasis now became more italic and slanty. You understand? And also bold. Then this one is also embed. It is used to embed object. You understand? It's used to embed. This is the embed tag. You understand? So this embed tag, I don't think embed tag doesn't have. I don't think if it has a closing tag, but even as that embed tag, you can add an attribute in an embed tag. Attributes or attribute normally comes before. In the opening tag, attributes normally come before this greater than sign. So look at, this greater than sign, this thing here supposed to be here, but they added attribute. What is an attribute? This source is an attribute, and is source attribute is just like a tag, but it's not a tag. It's an attribute that specifies the URL of the website, or that lays emphasis on the article you are working on. Then embedded object. You understand? So this, you can use this embed to embed YouTube videos or embed link in a page. So this one is font. So this is a font tag, and this is the opening font tag and closing font tag. Is used to add a font. You understand? To specify a font. This is also a font tag. As you can see, this font tag here. You understand? It was used to add this font in this example. You understand? To specify the size and everything. Then it also has, you can also add attributes in the font tag. What is the function of this attribute? As you can see, they added color. This hash FF0000 is a red color. As you can see in this place, this write-up is red. Then this is a form tag. We have opening and closing form tag. This is a form tag. This is an opening form tag. This is an closing form tag. And you can also add attributes. These are the attributes in this form tag. And as you can see, this attribute is action. What is the function of this action attribute? It's as you know, this is a form. You can enter your name, you can fill a form, name and email. Then when you submit it, this action specifies where this form should go. You understand? So when you say mail to, action, mail to, then your email at your domainname.com. Once you submit this, it will automatically send your name and your email to this webmail here. You understand? So now these are the attributes. You understand? You can this, as you can see, this is an input attribute, which says that what this thing is showing here is that this name should show an input method where you can type, you understand, where you can type your name. And look at another one. This one is email attribute. You understand? That is the input. Then this one you can submit. That is this submit button. That is input type submit. You understand? As you can see, they wrapped it in a centered nesting tag here. Then the next one is our heading. In HTML we have heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, heading 6. You understand? That is this H1, H2, H3, H4. You understand? So this heading now, what does it do? As you can see, heading 1 is bigger than heading 2, heading 2 is bigger than heading 3, heading 3 is bigger than heading 4, heading 4 is bigger than heading 5, heading 5 is bigger than heading 6. Then this one is a header tag. You understand? What we normally use this one for is when creating a header, you can use this heading tag. Then this one is a horizontal line. Do you understand? Horizontal row. So this is a horizontal row tag, HR, horizontal row. It helps you to create a horizontal line. You understand? It helps you to create a, when we go into coding, then I will show you how you can make use of all these things. This is a horizontal row. As you can see, you can also add attributes. Look at the attributes here. You understand? So this one is a horizontal row too. That is when you want the size of the line to be bigger and have a color. These are the attributes. Then this one is a HTML tag. Websites cannot function without this HTML tag. You understand? So before, in fact, any website that you can see that can display on a browser must have this opening HTML tag and closing HTML tag. So this is opening HTML tag. You understand? So every website starts, in most cases, every website starts with HTML, doc type HTML, then closes with a closing tag of HTML in some cases. Then as you can see, it's just to create a web content. Then this one is it shows italic. You can use it to make a write-up italic. As you can see, this example here is somehow slant. Then this is an image tag. Image tag, I don't think if image tag has image doesn't have a closing tag. You can just write image, then use your source attribute. This is a source attribute. Use it and track the location of your image, then and it will be displayed on your web browser. So now the next thing we are going to do is, let me just show you. This one is an input field. That is an input tag. You understand? This input tag is used to create this type of box where somebody can type something and like input something and submit. You understand? So this is an input tag. This one is also an input tag. This one is an input internet explorer. You understand? So now another one, this one is also input. You understand? Let me show you all these code functions. Like for example, if I copy this, let me copy this and show you. Let me copy this and show you something. Here. I don't even know what is wrong with my mouse. So let me just copy this, go to my code editor. First of all, let me play this code in a browser. This is a lesson I was doing. So open in a browser, look at this code. So let's just paste it below here. So I'll come down here and say, let me say BR. This is a BR tag, that is a line break. Then let me create a horizontal line. that is HR is a horizontal line. Then let me break again. You understand? So as you can see here, we didn't have anything like a horizontal line here, but when I save this, if I should save this now, Control S, I've saved it. Then let's play it in a browser again. Open in a browser. As you can see, we already have a horizontal line because of that horizontal line I added. Then let me paste the code I copied. Understand? Then let me save again. Control S. Let me open in a browser. Let's see. As you can see, that code we have there automatically displayed. Where is our this thing we have here automatically displayed? You understand? It's automatically displayed here. So all these codes work. Now this is an input, this is also input. I've shown you the function of this input. Then all these things are input. Then this one is a list. Listen to this list now. We have two main types of list. You understand? We have two main types of list. One is an ordered list and one is an unordered list. You understand? So this list item here, you can use it and list a number of numbers of items. You understand? So as you can see, this list menu, then li, which means list, and list type, list 1, list 2. As you can see, this is an unordered list, unordered, because as you can see, it doesn't have 1 to 3, so they didn't order it in a numerical form. So this is an ordered list. You understand? That is OL, ordered list. As you can see, that is the reason why it has I. Then as you can see, order type should be I. That is Roman numeral. That is the function of this list. You understand? I said this one is an unordered list and this one is an ordered list. We usually represent this one with UL, then this one OL. You understand? So now this is a link. This is a link tag. You can use this link tag to showcase a link also. Then this one is a scrolling text. You can use this one to create a scrolling text. That is a macro tag. Then another one is menu tag. This one is used to create menu. You understand? Menu type, as you can see, list. You can use it to create a menu. This one is a meta. Nothing will actually show, but just know that this is used for to specify a particular description on a keyboard. This is also meta tag. All of them are the same. Then let's come to numbered. This one is a numbered list. That is ordered list. You understand? OL, ordered list. You understand? Look at it. As you can see, it is numbered. You understand? Numbered list. That is ordered list. You understand? So look at it. Then look at where they wrote it. This one is an ordered list. That is OL. As you can see, all of them has a particular order. You understand? So that is this particular one. Now all these things are different types of ordered list. You can use alphabet. You understand? When you say ordered type A, you understand? Ordered type A, you use alphabet. Ordered type I, you use Roman numeral. You understand? When you say ordered type 5, you understand? You use from 5 to down. You understand? When you say ordered, when you just use normal ordered list, it will number it. You understand? So let's badge into another one. This one is a list box. You understand? This one is a list box. You can use it to list. You can use this to list something inside a box. You understand? So like it's an option. Like you can use it to create options. This list box is an option. Like the tag is an option tag. You understand? You can use it to create, for example, let's have option 1 2 3 4. Okay, let me copy this thing and paste. Let me copy this and paste in our code editor. So let me just copy this and paste in our code editor. Let me create a line break. Yeah, let me paste here, and I'll save and open in a browser. Let's see if, as you can see, this select an option. So you click here, you can select option 1, option 2, option 3. All these things are very, HTML is the simplest language you can learn. So that is it. So look at it here. You have option 1, option 2, so you can choose any type of option. That is the function of this option tag. Then this is a paragraph. You can use it to put a write-up, paragraph write-up. You understand? So I'll provide this notes for you so that you can go through it. Then this is a strike, when you want to strike a text. You understand? If you wrap a text in this strike, it will automatically cancel it like this. You understand? Then this is a strong. I told you strong functions like bold, but two of them are not actually the same. So this is a strong tag. You understand? You can use it and make a write-up to be bold. Then this is a table tag. You use this one to create a table. You understand? That is when you have table head, table data, table row. You understand? So when we go into coding, then you'll understand how all these things functions. Then this is a look at table data. The table data. Then this is a T head. You understand? That is table header. You understand? Table head. As you can see, this one now is column 1, column 2, column 3 is the table head. They were wrapped. Let me show you. Table row. T head 1 is this. Table head again this. Table head again this. Then when you now start putting table data, these ones are the table data. You understand? That is TD row 2. TD row 2. TD row 2. Then table row closed, another table row open. That should be this second line. T3. All these things are very, very simple. Then the next thing I'm going to show you is title. You understand? This is used to specify the title page. You understand? The title, these don't normally show in your page, but that is what browsers use in dictating your page. You understand? The page title will always show at the search bar of your, on top of the search bar of your browser. You understand? So you use it and create the title of the home page. You understand? Okay, look at what this note says. Title of your web page will be viewable in the title bar. That is in the title bar. That is here. You understand? So for example, let me show you something. Where is my code editor? So let me just scroll back. As you can see, look at the title. I said the title here should be my website. That is the title here. So let me play this code in a browser and show you. Let me close all these things so you can see what I want to show you. As you can see, this thing here says supposed to show you look at what is showing you here. My website, that is the title of this page. You understand? Forget that this page is like this. Once we start beautifying it, it will turn to a particular home page. You understand? The page says my website, and because that is what we added in the title tag. So that is just it. Then the next thing I'm going to show you, I think we're almost done. Title. Then this is table row. Use it to create a row in table. Column 1, column 2. This is column 1, column 2. You understand? So this is underline. If you want to underline a write-up, okay, this is a teletype tag. You understand? That is when you want to make your a write-up, your write-up in a teletype form, in a teletype form. Yes, and then this is an underline. U is an underline. So when you close, this U has an opening tag and a closing tag. So when you wrap your write-up in an underline tag, it will underline the tag, the write-up for you. So this one is an underlined ordered list. I've spoken about ordered list when we are talking about how to list something. So this one is an unordered list, that is UL. Remember I told you OL is an ordered list, then this UL is unordered list. So as you can see, this one doesn't have 1 2. This was not arranged in 1 2 3 4. It was arranged in a dot dot form, show you that it is unordered. You understand? So that is that concerning this note. I'll provide this PDF for you in the description below, so you can go through this, so that when we start learning coding, you will not get confused. So thank you guys for participating in my tutorial. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring the notification bell, then like my video. If you have any question, you can comment on the comment section, or you can DM me on my WhatsApp or chat in my email. So thank you guys, see you in my next tutorial.